This is a demonstration of a tool that our client calls their makeup breaking tool. This is for a jewelry company, and they periodically have a need to take an existing item, such as, let's say, a diamond on a setting, a diamond ring, and break it up into its component pieces because they will sell just the setting of just the diamond. And sometimes they have to do it in reverse. They'll take a setting and a diamond and turn it into a single inventory item. This tool was created just to help them streamline that process, keep it accurate, and not require their end user or the user of the system to know about inventory adjustments and other technical things like that. Today, we're going to just demonstrate the breakup process. The other process is exactly the same. So to do a breakup, you select breakup from the subsidiary and then the location. Since you're going to be affecting inventory, you have to know the location. And then you tell it, okay, what is the existing item that I already have that I want to break into component pieces? In this case, I'm going to select this item. Now, the system validates for you that you, in fact, have one available, and it tells you this is the cost of the item to you. And now you give it the list of components that you will end up with. These are the items that you will create by breaking this thing apart. So again, just for demo purposes, we're going to select an item here, and we're saying, hey, we're going to end up with one of these. And then of the 8811, to this item, let's say we're going to allocate $3,000 of the cost. And then to this next item, we again are going to end up with one, and we want to allocate $5,000 in cost. Now, I intentionally picked two numbers that don't add up to the total. If these two numbers did in fact add up correctly, then as soon as I hit breakup, it would just proceed. Because they do not, it gives me a warning saying, hey, it's okay that you do this, but any difference is going to be allocated to this account. It's like a makeup breakup adjustment. All right, you click OK, and for seconds, it will confirm for you that it was able to do what you asked and tell you the inventory adjustment that was created for this purpose. We go here, again, nothing particularly complex or magical. We reduce the quantity of this one by one. We increase the quantity of these by one, and we allocated the cost. Now, the numbers are a little squirrely, mainly because I've been messing around with these items, doing adjustments and worksheets and so on for other purposes. So I think I kind of screwed up some of the numbers. But in the normal circumstances, this would all be exactly what you expect. And if you look at the GL impact, the difference between this thing and this would have gone to this account. Again, now, because this number is a little squirrely, it's a little off, but that's the bottom line. And then the makeup, which is the reverse of this, is effectively the same thing. You tell it, hey, this is the item I'm going to create, and then you give it a list of the items that you will use to make up this item. It will again verify that you in fact have these in inventory, and because it knows the cost of each component, it will automatically allocate that cost to this new one. In other words, when it increases its quantity by one, it will set its cost to the sum of all of these.